Welcome back. Now we are going to the third numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So we'll do the first case. In the first case, if this is the height, this is the length of the slide. So this is the first case. So this height is given to us. How much is it? 1.5 meter. This angle also is given to us 30 degrees. You are expected to find the length of the slide. So it's a right angle triangle. Length of the slide is the hypotenuse. So you need to find the hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio relates opposite and hypotenuse? It is sine. So sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 30. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite 1.5 meters by L. This is the length of the slide. 1.5 meters by L. L you need to find. Now sine 30 we know is half. So half is equal to 1.5 meters by L. Keep that in mind. Sine 30 degrees is equal to half. Now cross multiply. Take L on top, take 2 on top. So L will go on the other side, 2 will come here. So I have L is equal to 1.5 into 2, 3 meters. So length of slide in the first case is 3 meters. Length of slide in case 1 is 3 meters. So we got that. Now we will go to case 2. Case 2, same thing, but different measurements. So the slide height is changed and angle is changed. What is the height now? Height is 3 meters and angle is 60 degrees. Again, you need to find the hypotenuse. So we'll call it as L2. You need to find the hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse and opposite, how are they related? Sine. So we can say sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Now it is 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees is equal to 3 meters by L2. 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 meters by L2. Here you must remember sine of 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now again start our cross multiplication. Take L2 on top, 2 and root 3, bring it down. I'm left out with L2 is equal to 3 into 2, 3 into 2 by root 3. Now root 3, I remember like the previous numerical. I can write 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So what is L2 now? Root 3 into root 3 into 2 divided by root 3. So 1 root 3 will get cancelled. I got L2 2 root 3. This is the height in the second case. So length of slide in the second case is L2 is equal to 2 root 3 meters. This is the length. L2 is equal to 2 root 3. First case it was 3 meters. Second case the length is going to be 2 root 3 meters. So in the first case the slide height is 1.5 meters and angle is 30 degrees. So use trigonometry. Sine 30 is equal to 1.5 by L. L becomes 3 meters. Second case, height is 3 meters and angle is 60 degrees. So again use the same relation because we have to relate opposite and hypotenuse. So sine 60 is equal to 3 meters by L2. 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 meters by L2. So what is L2? 3 into 2 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will get cancelled. L2 will be 2 root 3 meters.